Hey, it's Woody, and it's a great day for a hike. Today we're going to cover every square foot of Ranch and Home in Kennewick. Come on. And last but not least, Ranch and Home is a great place to pick up chicks. Now look, I hike Badger Mountain every single day, even in the winter. And I don't recommend you cover the whole store in one day. That's only for the highly experienced, like me. So either way, when you think spring, when you think summer, when you think indoors, when you think outdoors, think Ranch and Home. This was a bad idea.